Hey, Lady Ada, what is this?
This is a new design.
Oh,
I wanted to kick off the year and maybe like do some cool new projects with people who we work with. So this is a design by Timon, who makes a bunch of hardware, open source hardware that works with the compute module 4 and 5, and like this kind of this flat design over here. Hold on, I'm not like really good at this. I'm sure there's like keys that are good. So this is the compute module that like people know and love, the compute module 5, the
yeah.
chip, the RP1, the flash, the USB, whatever, and like the power supply. And then this is a board which
Is this like a Raspberry Pi compute module camera?
yeah, it is. But sorry, I'm like
That's
really not
okay.
good at navigating. Okay, so the way it works, and he did an awesome like 3D model, is the compute module plugs in on the back, and there's a stomach QT port, micro SD card, bunch of passives and stuff underneath, and then USB-C, and this goes into the compute module for like programming it and looking at the console. A host USB connection. This only does gadget mode, but this can be like a host if you want to plug in like a keyboard or a mouse, and it's USB 3. Some GPIO buttons, HDMI output. Looks like this is the real-time clock battery, an optional battery. Maybe this is another yes, another I squared C port. Big ass caps. Shutdown button, which only I think works on the Pi 5. And then underneath, there's a little camera connector. You can use a cable and mount a camera on. So it's like kind of an all-in-one shape board. And what you can't, I think underneath, you can kind of barely see here. There's the connection for the MIPI, the DSI. So you can have this connect to a camera as a display as well. So I was like, oh, let's just make like a really cute all-in-one, low-cost like backpack that makes the compute module do like a lot and can mount a camera.
Okay, I have a request. When it's in gadget mode, can we have a little speaker or something go 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 gadget mode?
Yeah, you can go
Okay.
good camera.
All right, cool. This is
Thanks.
this is neat. Make an AI camera. Haters.